Malaysia Putra Bank Karudin. Today I want to solve case study 1. The question said you have won 100,000 from a lucky draw contest. So you plan to invest the money for 3 years at either of two different banks, Maju and Jaya Bank. Below are the details of the bank. As you can see, Maju Bank offer 4.55% compounded quarterly and Jaya Bank offer 4.75% compounded every 2 months. So the first question is calculate the total interest for each bank. Now let's calculate the amount for Maju Bank. Maju Bank offer an interest rate 4.55% compounded quarterly, which means the interest is compound 4 times a year. Using the compound interest formula, S equal P 1 plus K per M power of MT. Substituting the value into the formula, we get S equal 100,000 plus 1 plus 0.0455 per 4 power of 4 over 3. The final amount is RM 114,537.20 cents. Therefore, the total interest earned is 114,537.20 cents minus 100,000. So, the total interest from Maju Bank is RM 14,537.20 cents. Next, we calculate the amount for Jaya Bank. Jaya Bank offer an interest rate of 4.75% compounded every 2 months. This means the interest is compound 6 times a year. Using the same formula, S equal 100,000, 1 plus 0.04756 power of 6 over 3, and the final amount is 115,250.62 cents. Therefore, the total interest earned is 115,250.62 cents minus 100,000. So, the total interest from Jaya Bank is 15,250.62 cents. Now, question B. The question is, which bank should you choose to invest in based on your answer in A? Justify your reason. My answer is, I will choose Jaya Bank because it provides a higher total interest earned after 3 years. Jaya Bank offer a higher interest rate 4.75% and compounded every 2 months, resulting in RM 713.42 cents more interest than Maju Bank over the 3 years period. Jaya Bank is the better investment choice. Alright, that's all from me.
My name is Mahir Azman. Next, I'm going to be explain about case study 1C. For your information, this question is related to answer in B. Let's read together. So, after 1 year 7 months, the bank changed the rate to 5% compounded monthly. How much should you get at the end of those 3 years of investment? Calculate the total interest paid. So this is the information for question A. So we will use the formula S is equal to P bracket 1 plus K over M to the power of M times T. After that, we need to substitute all the information that we have into the formula, and then we calculate all the numbers, and we will get the answer for the future value, which is 107,778.95 cents. And after that, we need to calculate the interest, and formula for the interest is I is equal to S minus P. So we just need to substitute the S that we get from the earlier, and we minus with the P, which is 100,000. Then we will get the interest paid for the 90 months. After that, we use the information given in the question C. So we will pull out all the information, and we will use the same formula as earlier and put all the information into the formula. And after we calculate, and we will get the future value or the amount at the end of 3 years is RM 215,736 ringgit 80 cents. And after that, we need to calculate the interest for the calculation number 2. So S is equal to P for the formula, and then we just need to substitute the S that we get from earlier and minus with the P. Then we get 107,957 ringgit 43 cents. Last question is to calculate total interest paid, and then we just need to sum up the interest that we get from earlier, and then we will get the answer. The final answer is 115,736 ringgit 80 cents.
My name is Muhammad Amirul Adli, and I will continue with case study 2. Which option should Susanna choose? Justify your answer with relevant calculations. Based on the given paragraph, we know that Susanna has two options. The first option is to invest the whole amount into an account that compounded monthly, while her second option is to let her parent keep the money and then give her 560 ringgit every month during her studies. From the paragraph, we also know that A is equal to 26,442 ringgit, T equal to 4, K equal to 0.0425 and M equal to 12. So in order to know how much Susanna will get per month for option 1, we can use the annuity formula for present value, and by substituting all the information that we have extracted, in the end of the calculation we will get R equal to RM600 per month. For the second option, we already know from the paragraph that Susanna will be getting 560 ringgit per month. So in conclusion, Susanna should choose option 1 because she will be getting 600 per month, which is 40 ringgit more than option 2. For the next part, Susanna needs to buy a laptop. Calculate the monthly payment and the interest charge. From the paragraph, we have been given the cash price of the laptop, which is 3,250 ringgit, and then the M is 12 and the K is 0.035 and the time is 36 months. In order to find the down payment, we can multiply 0.1 or 10% with the cash price, and at the end of calculation we will get 325 ringgit. From the down payment, we can find the total amount financed, or in this case A, by subtracting the cash price with the down payment, which will give us 2,925. By using the same formula from before, we can substitute all the information we have collected, and at the end of the calculation, we will get RM85 ringgit and 71 cents per month. And in order to calculate the interest charge, we can use the formula I equal to R in bracket M times T minus A. We can use the previous value for R, which is 85 ringgit and 71 cents, and at the end of the calculation, we will get I equal to 160 ringgit and 56 cents.
Is this way, and I will explain about question C based on question B. For one, if a father wants to settle off the loan immediately after paying the 30 monthly payment, how much additional payment does he have to make? To determine the additional payment required after the 30 monthly payment, I first found the number of remaining payments by subtracting 30 payments already made from the total loan period of 36 months, leaving 6 payments outstanding. Then I convert the annual interest rate of 3.5% into monthly interest rate by dividing it by 12. Using the present value of an annuity formula, I calculate the current value of these 6 remaining payments, which represent the outstanding loan balance. Therefore, the father needs to make an additional payment of RM509.03 cents to settle the loan immediately after the 30 payment. Question C2, how much interest is actually paid in total? To calculate the actual interest paid, I first determine the total amount paid towards the loan before it was fully settled. The father made 30 monthly payment of RM85 ringgit 70 cents each, which amounted to 2,571. After the 30 payment, there was still 6 payments remaining. So I calculate the outstanding balance using the present value of the remaining payment, which was 509.03 cents. I then added this settlement amount to the total of the 30 monthly payment, giving 3,080.03 cents. Since the original loan amount was 2,925, I subtracted 2,925 from 3,080.03 cents. Therefore, the actual interest paid was 155.03 cents. This amount is lower than the interest that would have been paid over the full 36-month period because of the loan was settled only after the 30-month payment. Indeed, if a father missed the first 4 monthly payment, how much should he pay on the 5th payment to settle all outstanding areas? In this situation, the father did not make the first 4 monthly payment, so each missed payment accumulates interest until the 5th payment date. First, I convert the annual interest rate of 3.5% into a monthly interest rate by dividing it by 12. Then I calculate the future value of each missed payment by compounding it for the appropriate number of months. The first missed payment accumulates interest for 4 months, the second for 3 months, the third for the 2 months, and the fourth for 1 month. Finally, I added these accumulated amounts together with the regular monthly payment of 85 ringgit 70 cents. Therefore, the total amount due on the 5th payment date is 431.5 cents.